next question I'm going to explain over here is type conversion. Here see the output, which output I want. User will enter a numerator and denominator. We have to display the ratio and we have to calculate ratio. Again we want the reciprocal of the same ratio, which will swap two numbers and its conversion. So now here as per the question, we will create one class, name is ratio. Then data members I'm going to declare over here. One is numerator and denominator. And data member functions I'm going to declare within public. So the very first function I'm going to write, that is void assign. This assign function we have used for numerator to accept numerator and denominator. Next function, which is convert function, which will convert your ratio. Then one more function, invert function, which will swap two numbers, that is reciprocal. And the last function, that is print function, to print all the outputs. Your class ends with curly braces with semicolon, and we are going to define all this function outside the class. So very first function, assign function, you have to write first data type, name of the class, name of the function. We are going to write define this function. So here we will accept numerator and denominator from the user. As per the output, enter the value for numerator. So we are accepting, you have to write cin, again cout, enter the value for denominator, cin. Next function, that is convert function. So here data type for convert is double, ratio, scope resolution, name of the function is convert, and here we are going to convert this. So as here data type we have written double, so you have to return this output, written n divides the, which will be not possible because we are declaring this variable as an integer. If you see over here, we are declaring variables in integer and we want output in double, so it is not possible. So here we are going to use type conversion method, where one of the variable we are going to convert in double. So here I write set double, I am converting numerator variable in double. So now this is possible, one of the variables should be in double, so you'll get output in double. Next function we are going to define, that is the third one, that is invert function here. So data type for that is void, name of the class, and the function name. Here we are going to just swap the two numbers. So here I'm declaring one temporary variable over here. I'm saving the first, I'm storing the first value in this temporary variable, that is t is equals to n. Now n is empty, so I am storing whatever in d, that is in n, and then what is in t, I'm just going to storing it. Okay, this is how we are going to swap the two numbers. Now the last function remaining is print function. So again void is the data type for that, name of the class, print function. So one by one, whatever output is there, that I'm going to write within this print function. So according to the output, the very first line is cout. So the given ratio is a wanted output in next line. So here I'll give NL, and then here I'll write again cout. Numerator ka value I want, so here I'll write N, divide sign, which comes in double inverted comma separated by insertion operator, value for D, again equal to sign within double inverted comma, and after that N divides T, where we have calculate that within convert function, so that I'm going to call over here, that is convert function directly. After that I want reciprocal, so I want to swap that value, so here I'll directly call invert function, which will swap two values, and then again same line I'm going to write over here, which is cout and divide D, then equal to sign, and again convert function. Here I'll write, then don't need to write, and then this is end of the program. Now the last main function we are going to write. So here say void main, within void main, the very first line clr scr, then we are going to create object, so ratio r. Now one by one we are going to call all the functions. So here within print function we have already called two functions, that is convert function and invert function. So remaining two functions we are going to call over here. The very first, that is r dot assign, using object we are going to call the function, and the last function is r dot print. Now here I'll compile and run, enter value, say 8 4. Sorry, I haven't written get ch over here, so I'll write get ch, again run, say 8, denominator is 4, 8 divide 4 is 24. I want that in next line, so here after convert function, here I'll write say NL, again run, yes, according to the question before this I've written cout reciprocal, yes,